Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Okay, stop. Wesley, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Back up. Back up. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Stop. Do you, Wesley, take this young lady as your waffle-wedded wife?
I do.
Do you?
I do.
Hello, this is Alisha Smith, and I am at the sword fighting competition, where the competitors, Tiffany Tovar and the boy laying on the ground, Wesley Smith. How do you like this? Yes. Get him in the... Woo! Too close. Now he just made it. Come on. I've seen better fighting on a baby's pin. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, off. Welcome. This is a boxing challenge, and the champion, Blacksmith Maria, and she is fighting Little John. Little John has just fallen, and he has just kicked Maria. He just kicked him now. Now from a word from our sponsors.
I'm Tiffany Tovar, and he is
Wesley Smith. What's up, Doc?
We work at St. Mary's.
We work at St. Mary's. We are the sponsors of all these commercials you see.
Yeah, so you see, man.
I hope you have a great time and laughing so hard.
Stop!
This is the craziest kid in the world. He used to live in a circus. I don't think you can tell, can you? Now, woo, he's everywhere. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hello, Wesley. You know something? My brother is the weirdest kid in the world. Back off, man. Wesley, you know you are weird. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, goodbye.
Now back to sword fight.
Hello, and we are back to the sword fighting competition, where Tiffany Tovar and Wesley Smith are battling out to the death. Woo! She just fell. Wesley is laughing his butt off. Woo! This is a brutal fight. And he is on top of her. I cannot tell for myself. Are you okay? Woo! This is a brutal fight. Now, no bloods and guts. Come on, people. Back it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off. Hello. Say hello.
Hello, I'm Tiffany Tovar, and he is
Wesley Smith. What's up, Doc?
he's retarded. We're selling these beautiful items, not his, mine. I hope you buy this. It's a brand new puppy. He's a hair dog. He's a little bow. He's so soft and watch. And he is
You need to get down.
Dumb door. Boom, boom.
Alicia, where?
Say bye now. Say bye. Say bye.
bye.
And we are off the air. Goodbye. Good night, good night, Tennessee.
Good night, Tiff.
Hello, this is behind the scenes. And Wesley is still acting like a nut. Tiffany is just resting and making people kiss. And Rusty's sniffing around on the floor. While the mother does not want to show her face today. And this is our beautiful Christmas
Turn it off,
tree.
Alisha.
And we are off.
Oh.
Where are we, Wes? Show me again.
Okay, we're right here and we're somewhere down here.
Okay, this is where we're at. Where are we? It'll focus. And this is in... in Kentucky. We are here. Leave the phone alone,
I
Wes.
called our house and left a message. I didn't get no answer.
Are you guys about ready to get back on the road? They've been stretching their legs skateboarding.
I don't want to.
You wanna? Hi.
I think she needs to wear a... Right. Got ya!
Show you the side view of Johnson City.
See,
There's spring.
we are making this for people.
Ow!
Which I do not know, but I want to play it again and again.
There's a tall building.
Here's my mother. She still don't want to show her face. Move your.
She's in the disguise.
I know.
Beware.
See, I can see you.
Can you see me?
Yes. She doesn't want to show her face.
Show us, show us.
Now we're about to head up to this.
And Rusty won't get off the camera cord. Get off, you.
Rusty? Rusty, come here. Come here, please.
Getting all tangled up.
Come here, baby. I just touched his butt.
Come here, Rusty.
Give us a kiss. Come here, Rusty. Come here. Woo! I can barely see everybody.
Oh, show them the dresses. Show them the dresses. Hurry, show them the dresses.
These are the dresses.
The wedding dresses.
Woo! Pretty.
Mama!
Wes, I like this one. What about you?
Taking my camera.
I like the red one.
I'm not hurting it. I know how to do it.
See, I want the red one. I'm gonna buy the red one.
Huh, how much is
When
it?
you turn the camera that way, Alicia, it makes the...
Yeah, but at least you can
$1,000.
Yeah,
That's my
probably.
point.
It's a wedding dress.
There's the railroad crossing. Can anyone see it?
Oh, Rusty.
Railroad crossing.
East straight
No.
for Franklin
No.
Road. West straight
Rusty,
of
stop.
Franklin Road.
There it is.
Left and right.
Yep.
What's it say?
I'll show you where my grandma works.
I want to see that van.
Want me to show you where my grandma works?
Stop.
I'll show you. It's a Mexican store.
There's a
what?
car.
It's a Mexican store, but you can still go. Every Sunday they make food, but that's the only day.
Cool.
Hey, there's my angel, or my mom's angel.
Okay, I'll show you. Let's look at the left. I'll show you. Every day and now. I'll show you my grandma's store. There's BP, Magic Work.
Magic walk.
Yeah. The
BP is right
The
there.
Mexicana.
And there's the Mexicana, wherever it is, if you can see
The
it.
Mexicana.
We've passed it.
There's my grandpa's trucks there. You see, we're at the stop sign where
We are at the stop sign, and this
West
car.
Maple Street one way.
And
We're
can you
gonna
see the
turn-
lights? See? There's the big fat light, or small
We're
light.
gonna turn left.
We are going to turn this way.
Maple
Whee!
Street.
Maple Street.
Way traffic.
Gangway traffic. I think if my mom ever watches this, she'll be sick. Ooh, what does that say?
We're going under the bridge.
Bridge. See, there's the bridge.
Where homeless people sometimes sleep.
Where some homeless people sometimes sleep.
How sad.
Yes, very sad.
Especially as cold as it is right now.
Yes, very.
Sometimes they go somewhere.
Yeah, like that.
There's
I wish you could see more, but it's very
Cleveland
dark.
Street where my friend lives. Look. And here's Henry Street.
Oh, they've got lights up.
Yeah, we put them up last
Where?
night.
Woo! Let's see. Lights. This is my friend's house with lots of lights on it.
Oh, where's the other one?
See? Lots of lights. She's got lots of trees too.
Got repaired early.
Alicia, turn it
And
off.
we are off. And my friend just left our car and she went into her house. Now we are going home.
Is anybody there? Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh,
dog is going to bark probably. And he's crying because my friend just left. And I'll see her at school tomorrow. Now we are off onto the road again.
Oh, Rusty, darling, you're not getting out.
Okay, there's the stop sign, and there's a barn type thing.
It's Paris Target.
They hit her stop.
It's a company. I think they do something with wood. I don't know what they do.
And we are going to leave until we get to the house. Goodbye.
Put me in this dungeon, please don't.
Ha, get in there, you dumb girl.
Don't.
Ha. Never. Ha. And if you break out, you will be sorry. You know that? I said you'll be sorry. Ha. You will pay for that. Now stay in there.
Never! Bring on it, monster! Come on.
You will hurt. You will pay, little boy. Ah. Now stop. Ah.
Run, Ricky!
No. Ugh. Now my watchdog is going to watch you. She's going to keep an eye on you. See? Good dog.
Get off me, dumb dog.
Now, you do not. I'm going to have my dog keep a close eye on you.
Help me, kitty.
No, that's the evil cat who will keep an eye on you also.
You're stupid.
Oh, you will pay. You will pay for that. Yes, you will pay.
Let go. You freak.
I am not a
nature.
freak. I'm not a freak.
Loser.
You are
Loser.
going to...
Loser. Loser.
I will break. Fine, I will leave.
I died. I just noticed that I've been here for 40 years and your house is clean for a monster. Why?
Because I like clean things. You're clean all the time. So I decided to take you.
So I'm gonna dirty up the place with dirt and spit. How do you like that?
Well, my dog you seem to like, and he's not always clean.
Duh, because I'm dirty like
Then how come you don't
bad
look dirty?
boys.
How come you don't
Can I
look?
marry your dog? You have little puppies and little humans.
No.
Fine, we'll marry each other. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
I'm going to eat you for dinner tonight, so you cannot get married.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Unless you would rather
Come here.
marry me. You would rather marry me?
No way. You're
What am I? Tell me.
You're green and hairy
I am not.
and stinky feet too.
Ah, you little brat trying to kill me?
Let go.
No. Huh. You will pay for that. You can never kill me.
I'll kill your cat.
Here, stick it through my arm.
Don't bite my shoe. Stop it.
I'm going to kill you. Hey, Tiffany. Stab it through my arm. Stab it.
I'm the new monster from the lagoon. The old monster, my brother, had died. I am a girl, not a boy. If y'all see me call a boy, I'll kill you.
Hi, boy.
Hi, boy.
Tiffany, say C.
See, this is my pet. Lukey. Come here, Lukey. Come here. Come here, Rusty. Or Rusty. Come here. Come here. Come. What's it? Come. 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 Sit. Come. Come.
Keep picking hangers up.
Look. Look that way.
All kinds of hangers.
Good boy.
In the right direction, that's all he said.
Come here. Come.
Get somewhere.
He's powerful. His eyes shot lasers. Come here. Get in there. I don't want you going around. Get. Come on. Get in the cage. Get in the cage. Come on. Get in the cage.
Go in there.
Here, put a spoon.
Okay.
5.
And beware.
Hi, boy.
Will the monster return or not?
See you
Dun,
next time.
dun, dun. See you next time.
Dun, dun, dun.
See you next time. And the monster returns. Hello, I am Dragon Slayer, and I am the star of this movie. What you will see in the following acts is me trying to kill a monster named Green-Eyed Pete. See you on set. Hello, monster. We meet again.
Get a word. Get a word. No.
No, I want to kill you. Cut up your head, chop off your head, and serve it on a silver platter.
Never.
Why
Cat.
not?
Dog. Get her.
What?
Cat. Dog. Get her.
These dogs are on my side. They've been spying on you for years.
That cat is mine.
They're in the way.
No, he's not. See? He loves me, not you.
No, he loves me.
See, I will kill you and show you that.
Dog. Get her. Get her, Rusty.
Yeah.
Where's your brother?
He's in here. Huh.
Get your buddy in here, Randy.
You are going to die. Huh.
Hurry, Dragon Slayer. I will help you.
Hurry, hurry, I need help.
Cat for you.
Alisha, you're never ever. I don't care. I don't like you. Let me go, you dumb monster. Help.
Hurry! I'm killing the cat.
Help me. I'm upside down.
Hurry! I'll kill the cat for you.
No, the cat's on our team.
I didn't know.
No, he can't die anyway.
A dog. Pet shop, where we have your pets you buy. This is a little kitty named Rusty. Not Rusty, sorry. Luca. He's really nice. He's playful. He doesn't have no nails in the front. He only has nails in the back. He plays with everything. See, watch. Come here, get warm. Almani, you want this cat, call 555-9029. We'll get your cat and your pet. Thank you and good night.
Remember, 555-902-9029.
I'm Sandy from Great Yashinodi.
No, he won't. And I'm going to show him how
Yashinodi, he's not in here.
And
He's not in here. Hello. And I'm letting you go. Come here, Rusty.
Liver chili,
Bye, Rusty. Here you
chili, buffalo chili.
This is mine.
I'll let you meet my brother. Here she is. We're watching the world. See?
See, this is the woman.
And I'm the retarded. retarded boy.
Yes, you are.
And I say me bye. And I say
I'm his retarded sister.
sister.
Bye.
Is it on?
Hello, and we are in a bloody battle. In
Alisha.
this corner, Bone Crusher with his no fear sign and his blade of fury, metallic sword which can slice through anything. And in this corner, Scorpion King with his silver blade that can stab in midair. Who will win this bloody duel? Find out in 3, 2, 1, go!
We'll go back.
Let's see that conquering face. Winner! Ah!
Are you still going?
Okay, time for a break. Gotta look for Tiffany most of all. Mostly Tiffany. Tiffany? Where are you? She in these pictures. Come on. Come on, Tiffany. She's nowhere. She's nowhere. In here anywhere. There's Luca. Hello. Lucky. Lucky. Hello. Hello. Meow. Meow. Are you my baby? Huh? Huh? Are you my baby? Hello. Hello. Are you my baby? There's me. Right there. Hello. Me. Hello, Luca. Okay. Well, we must leave now, but I will be back. Stage again. Here's Tiffany, who plays most of the roles. And I'm Alisha, who plays Dragon Slayer. And I'm Alisha, who plays Dragon Slayer. This is Wesley, who mostly gets in the way, and we do not want him on the movie. And here's Rusty. You can actually see him. Here's Mom, with her hair up in Lizzie McGuire form, which she thinks, but maybe back in her time. And they're all tuned into that TV channel, whichever.
Geico, we live, eat, and breathe car insurance. Occasionally, we do eat other things. We like to have a
Let
balanced
the
diet.
dog alone.
But,
Hello, Rusty.
when we think
Rusty.
about we go to sleep and we think about car insurance. And we've got a lot of broken families.
Get it off of me.
Do you have a comment?
Save you 15% or more on
Go
car
clean your
insurance.
room.
Goodbye.
Alisha.
Must hide. Must hide. Mom wants me to clean my room. I don't want to. Hello, Pookie. Are we back again? Woo. Hiya. Ooh. Okay. There's Mother again. Hey, Tiffany. Tiffany. Look up. This is my family. Well, that's my mom. Here's my brother. There's my friend. Oh, there's my friend. There's your doggy. He's my puppy. Come here, Rusty.
And the cat's not in the room.
You chewing on your bone? Yesterday was your birthday, wasn't it? Let's get everybody singing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rusty. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Woo! And that was a family chorus. Documented by Alisha Smith.
See you this evening. Ciao.
Documented by me.
Thanks,
Alisha.
guys. You saved me. Do you think you could stay and help?
Hello, we are back again. Okay, and we are watching this video, which the battery is almost dead, so I must put this up. Just one best look at the family. Well, her is one family member and the other, and Rusty's right there. Rusty, right there. There's Tiffany.
Hand it here and let me get you one.
And goodbye. I've already gotten on it. Hey, Mama.
Turn it off. Quit.
Hang on.
How long? You need to leave the battery on until the light is all the way green.
There is my
Alisha.
foot.